Dzień dobry, to jest Akiva Akamaccio in Firenze. It is Thursday, June 4th, 2021. Two drawings, which are going to be mailed shortly to a college friend now in Denmark, where the herrings and gefilte fish and lutefisk flow mightily along the coastal waters there. On the occasion of his upcoming birthday this month, we have a pencil sketch I drew on site January 16th, 1989, Jerry Brzezowski being hypnotized to stop smoking at the Washington Hypnosis Center, Seattle. January 16th, 89, Segan. There he is with his famed mustache, which has since flown away with the pigeons or the seagulls. Here we have a sketch I did, Chicago buildings on train to Macomb, April 2004. I was looking out the window of the seat I was seated in on a train from Chicago to Macomb, and I just kind of drew these building spires, tops, what have you. Just like, quick doodle with, it's like I used a fine line felt tip pen. All right, there we have it. Pan Bashki, Jerome, Feliz cumpleaños, comrade. Happy birthday. My birds extend my foul housemates, studio mates extend their foulest wishes as well here. Well, they're having breakfast, so not getting any chirps, chortles, or cheeps. All right, there you have it.